Let's now see some task statuses. Undefined status: the task is not linked to a source. Now it is linked to a source and is ready for computation. Let's compute the network optimizer task. The task is showing a running status, so it's executing. If a green tick appears, it has been computed without errors. Now let's make a change to the task configuration, and just save it. Our network optimizer task was computed but has since been changed without recomputing, and is now dirty. The task has again been successfully computed. Let's compute an upstream task. The task is now showing a pending status because it is waiting for an upstream task to compute. The task is yet again computed, without any errors. Now it's time to make some changes in the basic pane of our network optimizer. Save, and then compute the task. An error message appears at the bottom of the stage, and as a result the task will now show an error status.